Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. So I just found a rare opportunity. I believe it's rare, by the way. So it involves this platform I found called Dreamcash. It has good backing. It offers heap 3 stock and everything perp decks, and it has a point system that just started, and you can even earn points on this platform without trading. But you'd have to do that on a phone. The point system is more elaborate on a phone. The desktop, the desktop or PC version of the app is more for the trading aspect. So on here, you can trade assets from more than one outlet. So it also constitutes an aggregator. So if you see assets like this BTC 40X, this is hyperliquid oriented, so you'd be exposing yourself to hyperliquid. This interface is built on hyperliquid, positioning yourself for the airdrop there. If you trade this asset called XYZ, you'll be exposing yourself to trade XYZ. It's another stock related perp dex. There's also spot. If you want to trade spot as a way of earning points, you earn points on Dreamcash, you also earn points on hyperliquid. Then there is cash markets. This one, I believe this one labeled cash. These are Dreamcash related assets. So, I would do another video about whether they have multiplier in terms of earning points on Dreamcash. Then there is heap 3. But what I wanted to talk about in this video is about a tool that I use to automate market making on this perp dexes. And I noticed they have a campaign currently running with 5x boost. If you were to automate your market making on Dreamcash. Now, this is a very good opportunity because ThreadFi is a huge project, a project I'm interested in when it comes to points because the points are scarce. This is invite only. By the way, I have invites, so you can definitely access TradeFi with my invite. Now, this is the most powerful perp DEX tool in existence because you cannot market make manually on practically any perp dex. This is what the institutions do, but you can only automate the process. Now, in automating the process, you generate volume on this platform, even more safely than if you were to trade traditionally. You mitigate against liquidation risks. There are very tight settings that you can use and all this. This platform is an algorithmic trading platform. So it offers a terminal with different algorithmic strategies. It's the only such like platform, by the way. So these are advanced strategies than just delta neutral. But if you're looking for delta neutral, it also offers that. So anyway, with ThreadFi, I would generally use the bot. The bot offers delta neutral, allowing you to trade within 2 perp dexes, or a spot dex and a perp dex. So considering it's an aggregator, you have to go to your portfolio or wallet and add all your different perp dex accounts there. But personally, I would be using the the market maker bot, because this one, you generate volume. It's defined what you accomplish. So let's say you put an amount here depending on the dex in question. So let's say I choose Paradex. With $100 worth of margin at 50x leverage, I'll be able to generate 100,000 in volume. If I go normal, that will be within the range of 15 minutes. The trades will be will happen sparingly. Aggressive will happen more aggressively. And this is the estimated fee you'll pay. The max loss in the event of a loss on $100,000 worth of volume. But generally, these are estimates. You can also have P&L that counters the loss and all that. So I've tried this. I've done videos about it. In many cases, I don't end up losing and stuff like that. But let's say that you put up $500 worth of volume with 50x leverage. You will be trading 500,000 volume within minutes, by the way, all automated. And okay, this is with is this Paradex? Okay, this is with Paradex. Paradex is a 0 fee perp dex. They all have their different estimates when it comes to losses and all that. And the strategy also matters. Okay, so I've done videos about the strategy, but my interest here is this. Although I will do a tutorial about that separately, I just saw this now and decided, okay, it's relevant considering I recently talked about Dreamcash. So this is basically an opportunity to earn 5x points on TradFi, and the points are very scarce, hard to earn. So why not? This means that without generating that much volume, I'll be able to earn a lot of points during the period that this campaign lasts. And many times the campaign here don't last perpetually, so they are limited time campaign. So I'm considering doing a video of trading cash assets on TradFi to earn 5x points on TradFi. Of course, I would also earn Dreamcash points. I would also expose myself to Hyperliquid. So all I need to do is connect. The reason I could not do this video is because I signed up on Dreamcash, I think, with my email. So I have to export the wallet and then use it to connect, here. So you connect PerpDex wallet, and then okay, so I would experiment with it. It's not showing on the list here, but let's see when I experiment with it what the process is like. So that's about it. So you see here I use it to trade on Hyperliquid. Now, considering it's not showing there, it's likely going to be under the Hyperliquid category, because Ventuals, for example, when I tried to trade Ventuals on TradFi, it wasn't showing on the list. That's because it's under the Hyperliquid category. It's a HEAP3 platform. So that's how I was able to get Ventuals to that's how I was able to trade on Ventuals. You would see here. That's how I was able to connect Ventuals here through Hyperliquid. Bringing us to the end of this video. If you're to take action, you can. Okay, this is even my lifetime volume here. I've not done much here. I've been in building mode for the most part. So you'll see $363,000 worth of volume with $11 net fee. I don't think you can generate that, doing this passively. You may lose your entire principal as well if you're not an expert with PerpDex trading, and the liquidation risk very low, all automated by a bot. So anyway, that's about it for this video. Now, before you go, don't forget to go to Airdrops. See, it's our official app. So like I said, I've been building recently, so I'm building the most powerful execution layer for airdrops. A lot of features here, but also this will enable you execute on airdrops if you want. I don't know if I've added Dreamcash here, but very soon I would add so many airdrops here. Each of them will come with full-fledged publication tutorial. There is something for TradFi. Variational, by the way, is an interesting perp of interest. Scarce points, check it out. And yes, you need an invite. The invites are scarce, by the way. I have some invites. So bottom line, when you check an airdrop, it will come with an entire publication tutorial about the airdrop, very in-depth like that. Then if you come to the sidebar here, you'll see something to execute with respect to the airdrop. I've already executed this on the day. Otherwise, it will show here, you time yourself to complete the task. And if you fail to complete the task within the time allotted, it will keep reminding you persistently. Then you can create a culture of doing this daily so that you are more effective and organic with your airdrop expeditions. Okay, if you want to learn about Web3, you want to create a course about Web3 and monetize it, there's an app for that, the most powerful Web3 application out there. These are early stage apps, so I'm still filling it with information. It's going to be very huge eventually. So check it out. You can also give me feedback. Then if you want to start building, assuming you have that Dream app and you are reserved about building due to technical know and all that, you can resolve that now that there is AI. Build the most powerful applications such as the ones I built with AI. So do well to go to Vibe Code Wiki. You can subscribe, watch all the videos there to prep your mind mentally, and then when you're ready to build, you can contact me for tools. Stay awesome, take action, subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials.